At Fragrant Body Oils, we believe fragrance is an essential part of self-care. That's why we've developed our Carefree collection, a line of luxurious fragrances crafted with your well-being in mind. We use only the highest quality ingredients to create scents that are not only beautiful, but also safe for you to enjoy every day. A team of expert chemists and perfumers work tirelessly to craft fragrances that are not only in line with the strictest industry safety guidelines, but also exceed them. We've meticulously selected each ingredient to ensure that our fragrances are free from potentially harmful raw materials. Unlike some fragrance oil companies that prioritize cost over quality, we maintain rigorous standards for our ingredients and production processes. Every bottle embodies our commitment to excellence and ensures a consistently luxurious experience for our customers. We've eliminated phthalates, ingredients on California's Prop 65 list, and any substances that could potentially harm your body. Our Carefree fragrances are also free of carcinogens, mutagens, and reproductive or organ toxins. Now you might be wondering, what about essential oils? We've carefully formulated our Carefree fragrances to include these natural ingredients within safe limits, as outlined by the International Fragrance Association. So, you can enjoy the benefits of essential oils without any worry. We are not publicly able to disclose the exact ingredients in our body oils, as these are proprietary formulas, but we're confident that our Carefree fragrances not only smell amazing, but also meet our highest standards for purity and safety. We're excited for you to try them in your own personalized self-care routine, or if you are looking to expand your own beauty care line, experience the difference for yourself.